Multiple indicators right now are pointing for Bitcoin to correct, but as Bitcoin maybe is going to correct, we are seeing a completely different picture when we have a look at some different charts. So guys, the message in today's video will be very clear and simple about what is going to happen next in the cryptocurrency markets. Now let's jump straight into it. When we have a look at Bitcoin, guys, we can see that Bitcoin had this beautiful rally right here. Right now it's consolidating, but we can see that a lot of indicators on Bitcoin actually pointing a little bit more to the downside and showing that Bitcoin is overheated. So we got like the relative strength index showing these bearish divergences, but also like curving down right here, making kind of a circle. We can see the momentum right here coming down as well, pretty steep, and we can see the wave trend indicator being at basically at overstretched conditions, going back into this channel with kind of a bearish divergence, right? With a lower high right here, high in the price. So normally, guys, when we look at previous times, so right here we also have the momentum indicator coming down. We're coming from overstretched territory down back into the channel. Maybe have like a bearish divergence. You can see we had a correction in Bitcoin, small pump, which was the probably like an ABC correction, the B wave, and then we had another big correction. So looking at this, like looking at all of this stuff, I actually think that Bitcoin is gonna be likely for Bitcoin to start correcting. If we just look at the indicators, the only thing that actually changes my mind a little bit in this case is that I see on Twitter and on social media, I see almost like a lot of people are expecting a Zelda news event. I was also expecting that. But if everyone is expecting that, then maybe most people would already have taken profits, and this is just consolidations before we can see a next leg up, right? Based on the indicators and based on derivatives exchange data, although the funding rates are coming down, this is actually quite positive. Let's see what the premium index do in the bar. Yeah, okay, it's also positive, not really declining or something. Take a buy sell ratio going up. So yeah, derivatives exchange data still showing that the market is a little bit overheated, but not as overheated as we saw like the days before. However, the indicators on TradingView, so based on the technical price structure of Bitcoin, definitely show that Bitcoin could see a correction from here. Might not happen today, although today we do have the expiry of that Bitcoin, the CME futures options, so that might be something that's going to happen. But when we have a look at Ethereum and we have a look at Ethereum on the daily time frame, as you can see, like the relative strength index right here already looks slightly different, right? We have not really that curvature that really like pushing downwards like what we have with Bitcoin right here, where we just can see it's really pointing downwards. So I think Ethereum is actually looking better than Bitcoin right now. We do have that bearish divergence though. You can also see that the momentum based on volume also not like really not so steep as we are seeing that with Bitcoin, right? So I would say this image for Ethereum looks definitely better than for Bitcoin, but especially guys when we go to this chart, because this chart is just looking very bullish for Ethereum. Ethereum has been bleeding against Bitcoin since September 2022. Right now we got all these bullish divergences on the daily time frame. We can see the momentum is going into the green. Well, normally that is a bullish sign. So when the momentum is going into the green, we can see definitely in bullish markets. So for example, right here we've seen it as well. Flip it into green, a little bit late, of course. This is on the daily time frame. You can view it earlier. For example, on a 4-hour time frame, it will go sooner into positive territory. As you can see, we just entered the green. But here you can also see we entered the green. We had quite a big pump. Here we entered the green. We had a pump. Here we entered the green. We also had a pump. But yeah, I think the market conditions right now look more similar to like here, where we also here go in the green and just had a massive rally because we just spent a lot of time in the green. And I think the market conditions look more similar to here than, for example, to here, because we have been bleeding against Bitcoin for such a long time, and it looks like this chart just wants some relief. So Also looking at the altcoins in my list right here. So we have a lot of altcoins, and you can see that the altcoins are all up. And these are altcoins also sometimes against Bitcoin, but also against US dollar. But you can see this is almost all green. So it really looks like that the rally of Bitcoin right now is actually over. For now, that a lot of money is rotating into Ethereum for sure and into altcoins. So we are definitely at the later stage already probably of this Bitcoin rally, and we need some time in Bitcoin to consolidate and maybe for altcoins to blow up, and then later those altcoin profits will go back into Bitcoin. This is a little bit how the cycle goes. So that's what I'm seeing right now. So I'm not too excited about Bitcoin, to be honest, right now. Also took a little bit profit yesterday. I'm very excited of Ethereum. I think Ethereum can go on a very nice, unique rally with a lot of attention and hype in January 2024. So we're going to end the year with a big bang. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm watching in the markets. I wanted to share with you also, guys, Will Portal has a YouTube channel. We already have that for some time, and I made 4 videos, and especially this video where this is a complete tutorial on how to use Will Portal, how to read the charts, stuff like that. Yeah, I would urge everyone to watch these tutorials because you'll get a better understanding on how to use Will Portal, how to use these charts. And I don't know if you really look at it over on Twitter or like a lot of other analysts on YouTube. Not many people are using all of this derivatives exchange data combined, and especially when you're scalping or short-term trading, but also long-term trading, it's just very powerful data. It's really an edge that you can gain against other traders in the markets, and it's always about that edge because you are competing in the markets with millions of other people, and you always got to think, because when you win in a trade, it means you take money from someone else. So you saw something that someone else did not see. So you always got to be one step ahead of the other person that you're trading against, right? And I think derivatives exchange data is the key to that. It provides definitely an edge. And yeah, more to come on this as well. But just to get a basic understanding, go to the Will Portal YouTube channel. You can just put it in a search, or I put the link down below in the description. Subscribe to it. We might do some live streams or post new videos over there as well. And also, guys, what I really want to urge every single one of you to do is go to my channel page. And if you haven't done it already, make sure to subscribe. We have 19.3 thousand subscribers, but I would love to get this as soon as possible to 20k, guys. That would really be awesome. Then we enter 2024 with a blast, and it will definitely provide me with new energy to kick it here on YouTube. But what you also should do is you should scroll down on my channel page. And then I have 2 lines right here. The first one here is Bybit tutorials. Let me put my camera right here. Where I put a lot of effort in this, guys. I made a lot of Bybit tutorials. Like this is Bybit copy trading. This is Bybit trading bots using artificial intelligence and using grid bots. Here we have the mobile app tutorial. Well, that's actually maybe not the most important, but if you want to know everything about that mobile app tutorial with some nice futures it has, watch the tutorial. But I think the latest one are most important: the Bybit copy trading, the Bybit trading bots, the futures martingale trading bots. It's good to know this also, guys. This only has 400 views. This is the advanced trading futures on Bybit. They have Trade GPT, which is a chat GPT which you can use for trading, conditional orders, trading stops. This is a tutorial where I'm basically showing you how to connect your trading view to Bybit, so you can completely automate like trades. So for example, when you want to long Bitcoin, when this and this and this happens, you can just automate that, right? You can connect Bybit to TradingView, and then once that happens and you sleep, you are in a position, right? So that's very valuable. And this one, guys, this one has also not many views, almost 600, but this is actually so crazy video because this one basically shows kind of a hack. It's not really a hack, of course. It's a future on Bybit called Chase Limit Orders, and I'm explaining exactly how you can use that future in this video to basically avoid almost all fees on Bybit. Right, this is kind of crazy, and I'm actually surprised that they implemented this future, because they will definitely lose a lot of money if you are not lazy enough to use it. I think a lot of people are just lazy enough, they just don't know about this because it's a little bit hidden in the dashboard as well. But yeah, it's definitely worth to check that out, guys. Watch these tutorials, and of course, if you learn anything from them, drop a thumbs up on it, and yeah, leave a comment. That would help definitely. But also these videos, guys, Bitcoin trading strategies. I have multiple trading strategies where you can basically look at, and they're all for free. So we're talking here about the funding rates, how to spot tops and bottoms, how you can use the CME futures premium for your trading, how you can do the EMA ribbon, moon cycles. We have the best 5 indicators for trading. We have recently we published Renko trading strategy. Guys, I just put a lot of effort in all of these videos, and I would really like, and I think it brings a lot of value to you. When you have time, just have a look at these videos, and maybe you get something out of it. You get some new insights on how to view the markets. I definitely think they are very valuable, but they just get a little bit lost in the algorithm. Yeah, but I would definitely recommend you guys to watch that. So, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. Let's get to the 20K very, very soon. I want to wish every single one of you a very beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.